Guys, hello guys, it's me Ila guys. I have blame bags. Yeah, I have blame bags. Okay, let's open it. I have the wait guys. I have the $5 one and $7 and $10 and where's this? Is $20 and this is $30. What to open first? I want the $10. I want to open the $10 one. Yeah, the $10 one. Let's open it. The $10 one. Look, it's a $10. Okay, let's open it. McDonald's again. Yeah, again. Okay, this is a burger. Okay, I love the burger one. The burger one. I love the burger one. Guys, I watch a movie, guys. I watch a movie. Yeah. Okay, I just tried. Okay, it's nothing. It's a trash. Okay, and done. Only one. Okay, bye.